Maria? Maria? Baby? Where are you? Hey. Come on out. Why did you run away? Hey. Baby? Baby? Is that you? Whoa. 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 Hey. You calm down. It's just me. I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't worry. But it's me. It's Sally Face. Remember? Your boyfriend. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay? I'm here. I love you. You know. When you ran off, I was a bit scared because, well, I thought I'd never find you because, well, but I'm here. Come to me. I'll help. It will be okay. I promise. Come. Everything will be fine. Come to me, and we can go back, and, Well. If it isn't the bloody savage and the blue boy with the scarred face. What do you want, Travis? Oh, nothing much. But, considering that everything Maria's done to me, I feel like maybe if I didn't kill her, I should kill you instead. Wonder what she would do then. She would finally be mine. Because you wouldn't be around, would you? Travis, what are you going on about? Is that a gun? Travis, put the gun down, okay? Just... You seriously need to get over the fact that I'm with Maria. There's plenty of other girls out there. Or even men if you want to. Or other people. There's plenty of other people except for Maria. You don't understand, Scarface. Maria is special. She'd be perfect for my witchery. You're gonna get it, you little brat. Travis, put the gun down. We can talk about this, okay? Travis. There. Why? She does it every time. She always ruins my plans. I gotta get out of here. Baby, hey. You didn't need to do that. I would have been perfectly fine. Hey, baby. Listen to me. Hey. Yes, I know. I love you too. I'm sorry. Just... You're gonna be... Okay. I love you. And... Don't worry. I know that I love you. Okay, I know that's weird. I know I love you, and you know you love me. And I also know that if you die, you'll become a ghost. But that means I won't be able to hold you in my arms again. who gets you. And even though my self-grace, I need you because you complete me. You really do. But just don't leave me. Because if you leave, I'll be lonely. I'll miss you. I don't want to be alone. Not again. Not ever again. It happens over and over and over again. You come back to me, and then you leave and you die, and I can't take it anymore. Just want you with me, and I can't do that if you're just not there. You can't leave me. Maria, please. I can't do this anymore. I need you there. Just please. Please. Maria, please. I love you.